Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this Samsung. Firstly, access settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. Over here you need to scroll down again and click on dual messenger. After that, click on the switcher next to one of your available apps that you want to clone. In my case, Facebook. Now just install, click on confirm, and if you want to use separate contact list, click on the switcher over here and tap on next. But I don't want to, so I will go with next and yes. And now we have to wait a bit. And then when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!